Alright, so we're gonna flame on here and we're gonna put our alright. We're gonna put on our green onto the mandrill here. So we're gonna heat up the super blue sludge, which is a mandrill bead release. Is what it technically is, to help the bead release from the mandrill. Alright, so we got our green rod here pretty hot, and we're going to get ready to apply it. Alright, so basically when you're applying this, you just want to try your hardest to keep it straight, because it's a real pain in the butt after you apply it to try and make it straight again, but do what you can. Alright, there's one round on there. I usually do more than one just to even things out here, so we're gonna keep that heated and then I'm gonna add more.